Hello, my name is Vibhav and I lead product marketing for Zoho CRM and Zoho CX Suite. Today, we'll talk about how we started our customer experience journey, some of the challenges we solve, and look at some of the customer successes that we have achieved over the years. Our CX journey began way back in 2005 with the launch of Zoho CRM, and over the years, we've been adding multiple pieces of functionality one after the other. Take business intelligence, for example, or customer service, for example, or marketing automation, for example. Each of these have been added one after the other to strengthen our CX portfolio. But the most important development happened in 2014 with the launch of CRM Plus, the industry's very first unified CX platform. And since then, every year saw multiple launches which have gone a long way in enhancing our customer experience portfolio. Last year, our launches were spearheaded by Command Center, a customer journey orchestration platform, along with Begin, a CRM tailored specifically for small businesses, and Lens, which is a remote customer service platform. And along all these years, one driving force that kept us going was the desire to change the fundamental funnel where customers are an afterthought or a byproduct. We wanted to change that into a fully customer centric flywheel where customers are bang in the middle of your company's operations, and most importantly, customer facing operations, which is marketing, sales, and customer service. Now, in order to fulfill this, there is no dearth of choices. The number of vendors keeps increasing every year, despite the massive consolidation wave that is happening. And I think this number will only go up. And in this scenario, we've tried to focus our energies on solving three important challenges. The first of which is unification. Because when these customer facing teams are hanging loosely as individual islands, there is absolutely no passage of customer context. So you have to bridge, you have to unify each of these islands in order to ensure there is smooth and clear passage of that very crucial customer context, which is the second challenge. Consider context as a baton in a relay which is passed on from one hand to the other. Ultimately, it has to keep on going till the finish line. And that is very similar to customer context being passed on from marketing to sales to customer service and beyond in order to ensure a customer is happy. But all this said, no matter how much functionality we have, no matter how deep the product is, nothing can be achieved if it is not used extensively by the teams who need to use it, which is why adoption is the third most important challenge that we have tried to focus on. And we are happy to say that our customers are using Zoho products at an increasing level every year. Over 18% of our customers use at least 16 Zoho products, and this number has been increasing year after year. And we are hopeful that this will keep going up further. So, that was an overview about where we started and some of the challenges that we solve. Let's now talk about how far we have come. And I am happy to say that we serve over 200,000 customers on the customer experience platform. And these customers range across different sizes, industries, and countries. Let me talk in a little more detail about some of these, and I'll start with an industry which has taken a hit in recent times. That is Agoda. They are a travel and hospitality company. They are actually a sister concern of Booking.com and Kayak. They are a company with over 3,500 employees. They have over 2 million properties across 30 countries and over 50 offices there. Now, something that is very unique to the travel industry is that they are inherently dependent on partners and commissions. We had to streamline their campaign management, sync that along with the lead management, handle the commissions, and also something that is very important in the travel industry, benefits, and loyalty program management. Let me now talk about a large customer of ours with over 28,000 licenses. They are IIFL, one of India's largest financial services companies with over $1 billion in revenue and 4 million customers. One of the most important reasons why they moved from their previous vendor to us was the need for a robust and customized mobility solution for their field sales team, which is spread out across the hinterland of the country. And they trigger over 4.5 million API calls every day. And also, the nature of their business, they are into stockbroking as well. So, handling lead assignment, balancing them, ensuring very short ticket resolution times, aspects like that were very important because you cannot have people waiting for long. And that is something which we are happy to have achieved along with them. Let's now talk about an industry which is very relevant in these times, health insurance. Now, Star Health is India's largest private sector health insurance company. They have over 1,500 seats with us, and they have a wide network of 19,000 hospitals with 360,000 agents serving over 5 million customers today. Now, when COVID struck, they needed a rapid turnaround in the way they operated. They needed an agile transformation to ensure these COVID claims happen faster. And we are very happy to have got that opportunity to work on that with them. And now we support them with a 360-degree customer view, which is handled by a single solution for leads, cases, and campaigns. And all of their agents use Zia's best time to contact to ensure their prospects and customers are reached at the right time and the right place. Let's now talk about another important customer of ours. They have been associated with us for over 5 years now. They are Selectra. They're based out of France. They're a multi-million-dollar company in the energy and gas sector. Now, they needed a solution which ensured high adoption rate from non-tech employees, along with a robust telephony integration. And we are happy to have scaled along with their needs from many years ago. They extensively use our automation capabilities along with business intelligence and other functionality. Let's now talk about Agape, which is India's fastest growing in vitro diagnostics company. They have over 650 seats with us. They support over 30,000 customers across 65 countries. And very similar to IIFL, even Agape is a company who is dependent on field sales and service. So we are happy to have worked on a custom mobile app for them, which enhanced the field agent productivity along with a robust telephony integration. And they don't just use our main CX platform, they are also supported by other aspects like employee collaboration using Click, customer surveys, business intelligence, and all of that. And we are delighted to have helped them achieve complete digital transformation. Thanks for listening.